Hey everyone, this is MJ, and you are at my channel called Reading This Life. My channel is where we talk fiction, friends, and fun. Today, I've got a new addition to the family. Let's talk about the Kobo Libra Colour. Stay tuned. All right, so if you are familiar with my channel, you know that I started out on BookTube as a Kobo girl. This is my Kobo. This is my Kobo Libra H2O. And it is fine. I switched to Kindle. Why did I switch to Kindle? Because Overdrive and Libby weren't syncing up, and I had difficulty with trying to get library books. And when I learned that you could push your library books to your Kindle, I'm like, whoa, that is a total game changer for me. Then I got into Kindle Unlimited, and that was a total game changer for me. Then I got into the Scribe, and this was another game changer for me. I use this more than anything. But this may change. I don't know what Kobo did, but this device is pretty amazing. I'm going to go through some highlights with you. Okay, so I did do an unboxing, a silent unboxing. I'll leave a card here if you just want to check it out. It's just 5 minutes. The device actually is super light. It may be the case. I'm actually going to take it out of the case right now and show you. This is 32 gigabyte. And I mean, I don't have a ton of books. I actually use my Kobo primarily for library books. I think I have maybe 10 books purchased on there. Most of them are library books. So this is it. It's super light. That's the front, the back. The power button is always on the back on Kobos. And the charging port is on the side, and there are 2 buttons for up-down page turn. Now, this is the Kobo Libra Colour. The Kobo Libra H2O is a little heavier. Not a lot though. Not a lot. It's a little heavier. The back is a little different. This one has more texture to it. This one has a little bit of texture, but not a lot. But it is heavier. Let's look at the size. They match up perfectly. The size is exactly the same from the Kobo Libra Colour and the Kobo Libra H2O. Exactly the same. It's not a Scribe size. This is my Scribe. And this is the Kobo Libra. So definitely more real estate still with the Scribe. For the Kobo Libra, they have a sleep cover and they have a clear cover. The clear cover is what I picked up because the sleep cover did not have an origami style to it. I love origami style. Origami style means you can fold it this way, you can prop it this way. There's a number of different ways that you can prop your reading device when you're reading on a table or a flat surface. The sleep case for the Kobo Colour did not have that. Okay, so even though it looks to the eye that they're the same size, they're not. There's a little bit difference. And you can see the thickness of the devices. Can you see that? The Kobo Libra Colour definitely is a thicker device. So my origami case isn't going to work with it. Thumbs down. That's okay. I will find a cheap replacement on Amazon. I do enjoy the a good origami cover. What can I say? I have one on my Kindle. I have one on all my Kindles and my Kobo. So yeah. All right. So you may be asking yourself, MJ, you already had a Kobo Libra. Why did you need to get the latest one? Well, I didn't get it. It was a Mother's Day present from the dog. And those are the best gifts. This has the capability of the scribe. So this not only is an e-reader, but it's an annotation device. It's an organization device, and it's in color. Okay, so the annotation kit for physical books is perfect. I love using it when I'm in the mood to use it. I love using tabs and sticky notes and all of that. This has leveled up to the scribe. Now, I got this in the mail yesterday and I didn't open it until tonight. So I have just scratched the surface with this. I'm going to pull up a book and I'm going to show you why this is a game changer. You can write directly on the text. Drop the mic. Drop the mic. You can write directly on the text. That's just one major feature. Now, if I want to highlight, there's a stylus that is sold separately. You have to hold it in. And you can highlight. Now, how do I change the color on that? I have to find out. That's what sold me on this device. Well, the dog. It sold the dog. To erase it, gone. Gone. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here because I'm still playing and learning with it. As with the scribe, there are notebooks, there are planning devices, there are different techniques that you can do to get yourself organized. There are binders, there are folders. So right now, with first impressions, it's amazing. It's amazing. Every week, until I can't think of anything else, I'm going to pop in here and tell you all something else that I learned, something else that the device can do, something else that I love or something that I really don't like. And it's going to be a battle because I love my scribe. I love my scribe. I have so many. I just started drawing in my scribe not too long ago. There's so many wonderful things about it, but there's so many things that miss the mark. And the one thing is writing directly on the text. Because as someone who hates doing that, right? That's like one of my things that it's like taboo for me. Okay, I don't like writing in text at all. The one video I did it because I didn't have a vested interest in the book. But then you think about it, and like if you give the book to someone else or you donate it, they're gonna have all of your scribblings in it, and that's not for me. But with this, it's guilt-free. Guilt-free writing in books directly on top of the text. Okay, that's a game changer. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there. I think I whetted your palate. I think you may want more. So if you do, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. If you like my content, subscribe. All right, everyone, thank you so much for hanging out with me. It has been a magical evening. I hope you're all doing well. Make sure that you're taking care of yourself so you can take care of others, and I'll see you in my next one, whether it be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now. Happy reading.